turn towards the sun. No one knows the cold wind blows, it's got the curtain head around. There's hours of time on the telephone.